Good morning, children. Children, today we'll continue our session with planets. So in previous session we just had introduction about our lesson. Okay, we also learned about our galaxy and universe and constellations. Today we'll continue with our session. So in previous session we learned solar system. Sun plus 8 planets are together called a solar system. Okay, how many planets do we have? 8. So 8 planets. Planet means what? Planet means wanderer. So which will wander, which will move is called a planet. Okay, and earlier in our solar system there were 9 planets, but what about the remaining one? Now we have only 8. So Pluto is regarded as a dwarf. So it is not a planet, it's just a planetoid, means like a not a planet. So it will not have any qualities of planet. That's why it was removed from the planets. So it is called as a dwarf planet. Okay, yes. So planets will rotate in a fixed path. In the previous session only I showed how the planets will rotate in a fixed path, that is called orbit, and they will be rotate in that orbit only. Why? Because sun has the gravitational force. So the sun holds all the planets in a such a way, so they will move in that particular manner only. They will move either side or that side or this side. So they will move according in a line because of this gravitational force of the sun. Okay, yes. And planets are non-luminous bodies. Why non-luminous? Means they will not have any light, only they will reflect the light from the sun. That's it. That's why they are called non-luminous bodies. Okay, and planets have natural satellites or moons. Natural satellites are called moons. So Earth, we have only one satellite, that is we called it as moon. So like that, so many other planets in the solar system have also moons. But whereas Mercury and Venus does not have any moons. And the Jupiter have 67 moons and Saturn have 62 moons. But our Earth has only one moon. So these are all natural. These are all called natural satellites or moons. Okay, yes. And Venus and Mercury, this doesn't have any moon. So only 2 planets in the solar system does not have any moon. Remaining all are having their own moons. Okay, yes. So you know the order of the planets here. So this will be Venus, Mercury, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Venus, Mercury, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So these are first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh and eighth. First one is Venus, first one is Mercury, second one is Venus, third one is Earth, fourth one is Mars, fifth one is Jupiter, sixth one is Saturn, seventh one is Uranus and the last, eighth one is Neptune. So this is the order. Now we will learn about each and every planet in brief. So this Mercury, which is the very nearest to the sun, and it is very small planet. Mercury is the very small planet, right? This one, Mercury, and it has no atmosphere. Earth has atmosphere. A blanket of air is called atmosphere, right? So which protect us from the cold and heat. But whereas this Mercury have no atmosphere. That's why in the daytime it will be very, very, very hot, and at the night time it will be very freezing cold. Okay, so because it doesn't have a atmosphere. And comes to Venus. This is the second Venus. So it is the brightest planet, very bright, and it is called morning star and evening star. So we can see in the morning means when the sun not rises, early morning, around 4 or 3 o'clock, 3:30, 4 o'clock, if we have a binoscope, telescope, we can see this planet. And evening, after sunset, also we can see through a machine like scope, by a telescope. If we have a telescope, we can see. That's why it is called morning, east at dawn, and western sky at dusk. We can see this. What this is? Yes, Venus, very bright star, and Earth. So we will learn about Earth later. Okay, and so Venus has atmosphere. What atmosphere? Rich in carbon dioxide, and it has very high amount of carbon dioxide which attracts the heat. So actually carbon dioxide nature is that it will trap the heat, sunlight. So that's why it is very rich in carbon dioxide and it will trap the heat. That's why it is very hot. How much hot will be? It hot reaches about, temperature reaches 60-100 centigrade, means we will burn and we will become ash within a few fraction of seconds. That much hot it will be. Okay. Whereas this mercury, so it will go minus 200 degrees, means we can't imagine that much cool. So that here it is very cold it is having, and here this is having very hot temperature, atmosphere. Okay. Yes. So it is having the highest temperature, highest surface temperature when we compare to all planet, and which is very nearer to the Earth. So this planet is very nearer to the Earth. Which one? This Venus. Okay. Then we'll next move to Mars. Here Mars. Mars is a red planet. Okay. Mars. It is called as a red planet because it is red in color. Okay. Mars is red in color and it has a volcano. And what the volcano name is? Olympus. Olympus Mons. How much? It has the height of 25 kilometers. 25 kilometers means it is more than the Everest. So Everest is the highest peak, mountain peak in the world, right? Right? Volcano. That is, volcano name is Olympus. So it has 25 kilometers height, more than Everest. So more than Everest only having 9 kilometers height, but whereas this Olympus volcano having 25 kilometers height, more than Everest. Okay. And when it comes to here, so here these are the asteroids. So between Mars and Jupiter there are some asteroids. These are asteroids will be like this. So it is like a belt, right? And like this, so many thousands of asteroids are present over in between this Mars and Jupiter. So they are not treated as a planets because they are very small in size. Okay. These are asteroids between Mars and Jupiter, and these are metallic bodies, metal. So they are made up of metals and rocks, very hard parts. Okay. Yes. And this comes to Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system, and it also spins very fast. So it also spins very fast. And then comes to Saturn. Saturn have belts. So these are also asteroids. So it will, when the asteroids move fastly, it will look like a belt. So Saturn have this belt like shape like structure. This is Saturn. Okay. And this is Uranus. So Uranus is only planet which will rotate on its side. Remaining all planets will be rotate like this, but I will show how it will rotate. So this is, for example, this is a planet. Remaining all planet will be rotate like this, whereas the Uranus will be rotate like this. Remaining all will be rotate like this. It will be rotate like this, its side. Okay. So Uranus is the only planet which will rotate on its side. Okay. Then the last one is Neptune. So Neptune, this one is the Neptune. It is look like very bluish because of the methane gas. So because of the methane gas, it looks blue in color. So it has the blue color because of the presence of methane gas. Okay. Then so this is the Pluto. So Pluto is considered as the dwarf planet. See, it is not in the planets list. And like Pluto, there are so many planets like asteroids, big asteroids. They are not called as planets, and they are Ceres, Sedna and Eris. These are all called dwarf planets, and they are not at planets. And planetoids means they are not small compared to planets. They are very small, and they will not have the any quality of these planets. Okay. So this is about our planets. Okay. So I hope you understood the session, and we didn't learn about the earth because we will learn in detail about the earth in the next session. So we learned about the planets. Okay, beta? Yes. So in this Saturn is this have very small in round spherical, very small size in spherical. Okay, least spherical. Saturn is the least spherical of the all planets, and it spins so fast, so it will look like flat on its poles. So when it looks like a flat, right? Yes. And Saturn, so 1 year in Saturn equals to 29.5 years on Earth. So in our Earth, if 29.1.5 years completed, that means in Saturn it is only regarded as 1 year. 29.5 years on Earth equals to 1 year on the Saturn. Okay. And the first, what are the first? Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. So these first four are the rocky and hard, which is rocky bodies, very hard planets. So remaining all are made up of with gas only, and some part with hard, some hard part. Remaining all is gas. So only these first four, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are made up with rocky hard bodies, rockies, right? Very hard part it is these are having, but remaining four are made up of mostly gas, only some part hard part with. Okay. Yes. And this is about our 8 planets. Sorry, not only 8, we learned about 7 only, and in the next session we will going to learn about the third planet in the solar system and our planet, that is Earth. Okay. So I hope you understood the session, and we will meet in the next session by the planet Earth. Okay beta, till then have a nice day. Bye bye.